Alright, so we've just been out driving the Civic around from what we're working on that ute. Go back home and that banging is coming out of the back passenger side. So what it is the bush is flogged out or something's damaged in the bottom of where the coilover is. It bolts the bottom line control. It wasn't perfect last time. It's getting worse. I don't want it to do any more damage. So we're going to rip it apart now, have a look, and if we need to, we do have some bushes we can machine, hopefully make it better. We'll just see how much damage there is and see if it's fixable. So we can drive around corners faster.
Yeah, 'cause when you're driving, there's more pressure on the back than there is the front.
Well, it varies, but
yeah, it depends on if it's a front wheel, rear wheel, or four wheel. Oh, it's torn.
Grab that. Just look here.
It's absolutely torn apart.
Well, it's kind of like two bushes I made together.
So they're not the real bush.
No, but see how it's all flogged out down there?
Is that
the
fixable?
fact this thing is leaking oil, I'm going to have to just order new seals. Yeah, well, problem is...
Because that chunk is taken out there from us letting the car just keep on slamming.
We could machine another one of these, but
that chunk,
like that's, to be honest, that whole arm, fuck, there's a wear in there big time.
Yeah, you can shift your finger. You can even see that on the
see
camera.
It on this side, it's all burred out there. Yeah. See how it like got a big lip like that? No lip there, but there is here and here, and that's just flogged.
Oh, wow.
We could probably... Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of movement in that bush in that lower arm, so it's flogged. It's not good. So you've got these other set of arms. This is one of the other bushes. We're going to push this out and see if it just fits straight in, because there's only... Look, it's bad, but there's not much difference between the bush that's in there and what we need to put in. So let's push this out, see how we go. If we have to, we might machine a little bit off, but otherwise, yeah, we'll try to jam it in there without pulling that arm out.
There we go, it's stabilized.
Just like that.
Didn't explode.
So we can probably squeeze this into that hole, which is not good at all. She's pretty flogged out, but do a bit of filing in here just to get that out, and then we're going to press that into there and hope nothing breaks.
So the bushings, will they just be reused? The rubber bits?
Yeah, we'll just put them back inside. Like a spacer.
Once we do this, it stop bouncing. Dude.
Should be money. Look at how bad that's not there.
Yeah.
Overshot it too far.
Now the shock.
Can't get a slight line. Ooh, which one? Go down and tell me which one that's in. Is it? Have a look down at that other arm. You'll see where the bolt goes into one of these 3 holes. I need to know which one it goes in.
Hold on.
This one? So that bush and everything went back in really well, so that's good. The only other thing that we may have is a blown seal on the shock again, so we'll just order some new seals anyway. It seems like it's going to bottom out too hard, but we'll just see what happens. But otherwise, we'll get back together, test drive it, and that fixed a major problem.